be in our cello sound journey? We've heard about salt, and it's the weight of the bow. For me, pepper is the speed of the bow on the string. So we're gonna see how fast or how slowly we travel. Combining salt and pepper, the weight and the speed can give us huge variety in our sound. So a light bow, full speed. A heavy bow, full speed. A light bow, slow speed. A heavy bow, slow speed. Somewhere in between. And just like in cooking, these variables of salt and pepper, weight and bow speed are personal. It's up to you. What do you like? Let me know in the comments and make sure to follow along so I can tell you about paprika.